Yeah.
with a swing on.
Yeah.
It's called a toilet.
Okay, I'm ready. Whoa.
You're supposed to do it 4 times. Toilet, you have eggs like this. Well, cowboy hole. It's hard to get your foot out of it. Or you can do it. Let's do it with water. Oh, you gotta have to go higher than that. Okay, never mind about your back. That hurts my hands. But see you later, guys. See you later.
Yeah.
Put that on our YouTube channel.
I will. You got it.
Are you still recording?
See.